Welcome back to Benindica. In our channel, we share with you tips about food and travel. And today we are here in London, Ontario. For just 2 days, I came here because I had something to do for work, and I took the opportunity to know more about the city, eat in some good places. So if you are interested in knowing what to eat and what to do in London, stay with us. Let's go. London, Ontario, often called the Forest City, is one of the largest cities in southwestern Ontario. With a population of over 400,000 people, it's known for its rich history, vibrant downtown, and strong cultural and sports scene. Located about halfway between Toronto and Detroit, London is home to Western University, making it a lively student city with plenty of restaurants, entertainment, and things to do. It's also a hub for medical research and innovation, playing a key role in Canada's healthcare advancements. Today, we are here to explore its food, breweries, and some of the best spots to visit. So we started our trip at Toboggan Brewing, a great spot with big open space, an open kitchen concept, and a stage perfect for live events. While we were there, a DJ was playing, which made the atmosphere even better. Of course, we had to try some of their craft beers, and our favorites were Lunatic Fridge IPA and the Double Lunatic Fridge IPA. For food, we went with a pizza from their winter menu, the Cajun Chicken and Brie, which has a delicious mix of spicy and creaminess. We also got the Cuban sandwich with smoked pulled pork, ham, cheese, pickles, and Dijonnaise. Both were great choices and definitely worth trying. If you are visiting London, this is a great spot to check out, especially if you like good beer and live music. Leaving Toboggan Brewing, we crossed the street to Victoria Park, one of the most well-known green spaces in the city. Originally a military garrison in the 1800s, today it's a popular spot for festivals, outdoor concerts, and seasonal events. In the winter, there's an outdoor ice rink where people can skate for free, but on the day we visit, the weather was a little bit warm, so the ice was melting. Still, it was a beautiful day, a little cold but sunny, and perfect for a walk. On our next day in London, we spent some time in downtown. One of our stops was Canada Life Place, the home of the London Knights hockey team. If you love hockey, catching a Knights game here is a great experience. The fans are super passionate and the energy in the arena is amazing. But this venue isn't just for sports. It also hosts concerts, comedy shows, and other live performances throughout the year, making one of the biggest entertainment spaces in the city. From there, we headed to Covent Garden Market, a historic public market that has been serving London since 1845. It's the go-to place for fresh produce, local artisan goods, and specialty food shops. First stop inside the Covent Market is the Love Pastel. Every time that we travel and we find Brazilian food, we like to go and eat something that we missed, and today is pastel. Our pastéis are ready. So here's the first one, and another thing, if you wanna drink Brazilian drinks, this is the Guaraná. So it's something that we really love in Brazil, and it's not so easy to find. So you can also buy Guaraná here. It's like a pop. The closest flavor is a Canada Dry, but it's a little bit different. It's from Guaraná fruit. And they also have sugar cane. In Brazil, we used to eat pastel with sugar cane as well. So let's see. Delicious. Crunchy. This is a dry beef with cheese. Just open here so you can see it inside.
Looks good.
You can see the heat. But pastel isn't the only thing on the menu. They also serve traditional Brazilian dishes like feijoada, a black bean stew with pork, and a variety of desserts like carrot cake, brigadeiro, and condensed milk pudding. Now they ate the pastel and it was delicious. We are gonna try the coconut cake. This is also a very popular dessert in Brazil. How fluffy. It's like a wet coconut cake. It's not dry and it has a lot of condensed milk on it. After enjoying some food, we explored the market a little bit more and picked up a few things. Inside, you will find everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to local meats, cheeses, and baked goods. There are also plenty of pre-made meals, gourmet products, and even some unique ingredients that are hard to find elsewhere. And this was everything that we saw here at Covent Garden Market. And now we are going to other places to explore a little bit more the city of London. Next, we headed to Kellogg Lane, a huge entertainment complex built inside a former Kellogg cereal factory. It has been completely transformed into a space for shopping, dining, events and attractions, making it one of the most unique places to visit in London. A must-visit place here is the Factory, Canada's largest indoor adventure park. Inside, there's a massive arcade with a mix of classic and modern games, and of course we had to play a few rounds. Our favorites were the basketball hoops we always play around when we find one, along with the motorcycle and car racing simulators. We could have stayed there for all day if we had time. The factory offers day passes, so you can play almost all the games as much as you want, which is a great option if you're spending a full day there. All that gaming made us hungry, so we headed to the other side of the building for our final stop, the beer kitchen. Right away, we loved their slogan, "All the best parties happen in the kitchen." And they are not kidding about parties. This place has a full schedule of events and live music, making it a great spot to visit any night of the week. Since we visited on a Monday, we got lucky with their $3 pint deal. One thing that caught our attention was their menu, which is divided into two sections, the Old World and the New World. We both went with something from the Old World menu, the grilled sausage on a bun, a traditional German bratwurst, served with mustard and sauerkraut. It was simple but delicious and a great way to wrap up our time in London. London, Ontario has so much to offer, from craft breweries and amazing food to fun attractions and local markets. If you are planning a visit, make sure to check out some of these spots. And if you live in London, let us know what's your favorite thing to do here. And that was it. I just finished my second day here at work in London, and now we are ready to go home. So I hope you enjoyed our video, that our tips and recommendations here for the city of London in Ontario helped you. And if you want to stay tuned in our next adventures, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Bye! See you in the next one!